Call forwarding and remote access to call forwarding allows incoming calls to be forwarded to another number based on schedules and conditions, including always, all calls will be forwarded. If busy, calls will be forwarded when the line is busy. If not answered, calls will be forwarded if the call is not answered after the configured number of rings. If not available, if the call is rejected or DND is set. Schedule. Calls are forwarded based on a schedule. The forward destination defines where calls will be forwarded to, voicemail or a number. Call forward always can be set when you are not at your desk or have access to the portal. You will be assigned a default PIN code to use with RACF. The default PIN for RACF is the last 4 digits of your telephone number. The PIN must be changed from your phone prior to the first use of RACF. To set up your PIN, you must use the phone to which the number is assigned. Lift the handset and dial *98. When prompted to enter your PIN code, dial your default PIN code followed by #. When prompted to enter a new PIN code, enter a new 4-digit PIN code followed by #. When prompted to re-enter new PIN code, re-enter the new PIN code followed by #. Listen for the confirmation announcement, then hang up. You may now use the global access number to access your call forward features and settings. To forward your calls, dial the remote access to call forwarding phone number 844-843-5131. Dial your 10-digit telephone number, then press #. Enter your PIN, then press #24. Press 1 for call forward activation. Dial the forward to number, including 1 plus area code if required, and press #. After the forward to number is read back, press 1 to confirm. To cancel call forwarding, dial the remote access to call forwarding phone number 844-843-5131. Dial your 10-digit telephone number, then press #. Enter your PIN, then press #. Press 2 for call forward deactivation.